Welcome to SingaporeHome.io. Parc Clematis is a new private condominium well located at Jalan Lempeng in District 5. Very near to Clementi town and nestled among the private landed properties. Developers for Parc Clematis is SingHaiYi Group Private Limited. SingHaiYi is an award-winning developer which has gained respectable reputation in Singapore and the US. 1 MRT station to upcoming 2nd CBD at Jurong East MRT interchange and bus interchange. Look at Parc Clematis is in the middle. On the right side is the 2nd CBD Jurong Lake District and on the left side has Kent Ridge Education and Medical Hubs and 1 north of Biopolis, Fusionopolis and Media Corp. It is also surrounded by good schools. This condo has 1468 units sitting on a land size, 633,644 square feet. Equivalent to 9 football fields. 400,000 square feet of land are for facilities. Residents will enjoy free country club facilities. This development has 4 different living concepts: contemporary, elegance, signature and masterpiece to cater for different age group and family size. Parc Clematis comprises of ranging from 1 to 5 bedroom, dual key for 2 and 3 bedroom, penthouse, terrace and bungalow units. And all units are north-south facing. As you can see here, all units are north-south facing. The tower blocks are placed distance away between blocks to give better privacy for the apartment units. From the side gate, developer will build a sheltered walkway to link to Clementi MRT Station. The walking distance is 500 meters from condo to Clementi town, whereby Clementi MRT Station, east-west line, is located. Air-conditioned bus interchange is at level 1, has direct access to Clementi Mall and to Clementi MRT Station at level 3. 1 MRT station to upcoming 2nd CBD at Jurong East MRT and bus interchange. 1 MRT station to educational hub at Dover MRT Station, where Singapore Polytechnic and top number 1 university in US, in Singapore and Asia Pacific is located. 2 MRT station to Bona Vista MRT Station where 1 North, Biopolis, Fusionopolis and Media Corp are located. 3 stops to Holland Village and 8 stops to Tanjong Pagar, the CBD area along the east-west line. Parc Clematis lies between 2 business hubs, 1 North and International Business Park. The long east-west line will link to future west side transformation area, Jurong Lake District, Jurong Innovation District and Tuas Mega Port, which will create 370,000 new jobs. And below is 1 North. The commercial hub has current 46,000 workers which all can be your future tenant pools if you invest in Parc Clematis. Parc Clematis is well connected to the major expressways, AYE, PIE, making the journey to and from the CBD a seamless one. Parc Clematis is walking distance to Clementi town, which is a mature estate, has plenty of amenities, eateries and shopping malls in the neighborhood. Clementi Central is located just opposite Clementi MRT Station and surrounded by wet market, hawker center, shopping mall, restaurants, cinema, hospital or medical center, old age home, elder care center, schools, recreation sport club and library. The Clementi Mall is part of the mixed-use development. Shop and dine at the mall and is linked directly to Clementi MRT Station. At NTUC Finest Supermarket and get the necessity and grocery, also a library, post office and banks in the mall. For movie, you can walk to 321 Clementi. JEM, Westgate, JQ, Big Box and IMM shopping malls are just 1 MRT stop away at Jurong East MRT Station or 5 minutes drive from Parc Clematis. This map shows you the location of the schools surrounded Clementi Estate. From primary, secondary, polytechnic and university, parents will have plenty of choices to choose. NUS is ranked first in Singapore and Asia Pacific. NUS has 31.3 thousand undergraduates and above 9,000 research, executive and professional staff. This group of people will be your tenant pools. Renowned schools such as Nan Hua Primary School and Clementi Primary School are within 1 kilometer to Parc Clematis. There are also plenty of choices: Shipa Primary School, Pei Tong Primary School, Clementi Town Secondary School, Newtown Secondary School, Tanglin Secondary School, Kent Ridge Secondary School, School of Science and Technology, Nan Hua High School, NUS High School, Singapore Polytechnic, Ngee Ann Polytechnic, SIM, NUS and International School, Japanese Kindergarten, Japanese Primary School, and Japanese Secondary School. Lifestyle and recreation around Clementi: Clementi Swimming Pool, Clementi Sports Hall, Clementi Stadium, West Coast Recreation Center. A few nature parks and garden found in close proximity: West Coast Park, Clementi Woods Park, Firefly Park and Sunset Way Park. And there will be a park connector coming up Greater Southern Waterfront that will link all the way to the West Coast Park. Medical center and hospital are located nearby: Clementi Polyclinic, Parkway Shenton Medical Group, 24 hours A&E at Na and at Ng Teng Fong Hospital. Biggest land size condominium in Clementi, and it is like resort living ambience, come with a very big and stylish drop-off entrance to begin. 60 active and leisure facilities on 400,000 sqft land size, which perfectly constructed between residential blocks. Unique for Parc Clematis, come with 3 50 meters lap pool, 1 100 meters lap beach inspired pool that can go for suntanning. There are unique themes: dining pavilion for teppanyaki and greenhouse, or having fragrant green tea at the Japanese pavilion. Experience Mediterranean and Caribbean ambience dining with kids, can have a great time at the kids' playhouse. Total 5 clubhouses, a chef kitchen clubhouse with 12 ovens for residents who love baking, and another clubhouse can use for celebration to host parties or a mini wedding reception with a capacity of 40 packs. A multi-purpose games room designed for both young and young at heart, can have a round of pool game, dart and arcade game for leisure. And a third clubhouse, very stylish for entertainment, and it has a piano in it. This is another facility, clubhouse for your entertainment and leisure. This also another clubhouse for dinner and gathering. Smart home living, can use mobile or tablet to control the lights, aircon, digital lock and car plate recognition. Sharing transformation in the West. Workforce in the West, rentability, and housing supply and demand in the West. The West is the largest region in Singapore, covering 36% of her total area. West is currently the country's largest manufacturing hub. Current pool of tenants are from IBP Hub, NUS, NUH and Japanese School. Here are 3 condos at Clementi Estate. The Trilink has 755 units, Regent Park has 276 units and Clement Canopy has 505 units. Whole of West region, only 22 condos in District 22 and 93 condos in District 5. Total are 115 condos. Demand and supply for this West region, with 22 condos in District 22 and 93 condos in District 5, total of 115 condos. Is it enough to cater for the 370,000 new jobs going to be created from Jurong Lake District, Jurong Innovation District, Tuas Mega Fort and all the current jobs in this area? Here are 10 good reasons why you should consider buying Parc Clematis.